Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of an interesting video because today I'm showing you a shoot that I did all the way back in March of 2016 when I still shot Canon. If you're wondering why it took me so long to upload this video, it's just because back when I filmed it, I felt like it wasn't that good. I felt like I could have done better angles, exposed it right, and a whole bunch of other things. So I kind of just put it on the shelf, and now almost 2 years later in 2018, I'm finally showing it to you guys. The gear that I'm using in the video is my favorite combo back when I still shot Canon, and it was the Canon 60, the cheap full frame, and the Canon 135L. As for the lighting gear, I was using the Light 600B, which is a strobe that I actually don't recommend anymore, only because there's a much better strobe that I recommend called the Explorer 600. And the modifier I was using is a 5-foot Octabox by Posse Buff, and I also don't recommend getting it from them because they use a different mount. There's a company by the name of Photoshoot that makes a 5-foot that comes with the bonus mount that both the Explorer and the Light use. As always, I'm going to be leaving links to everything that I used in the video in the description area below, so if you're interested to know exactly what I used in the video, you can check that out. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like because it does help get the video out there in the YouTube world. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing because I do plan to put out a lot of educational content every week. Alright, take care guys, and I'll see you in the next one.